Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2010 Toyota 4Runner. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.